Hi friends and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in a new video in a new outdoor hiking which is really too amazing. We're going today to make outdoor fire and campfire like we say always, and also we're going to make outdoor cooking, and which is my favorite tea, and also we're going to make outdoor food. I bring something with me and I am going to eat it, and I will let you know what is it when I will be making the video for it. So yeah, I hope you will enjoy by the view, and there will be so many other views actually, and yeah, hope you enjoy by the video. So well friends, my tea is being cooking. No, being cooking actually. I don't know what they call it. I just like forget. I don't know. Anyway, well that I'm gonna make something. Can you see here? You see my tea is cooking right now. And yeah, I'm going to make a game, and I will show you what is it. So yeah, let's go. So as like you're saying, I don't know if you can see me, but first of all, are you seeing me right now? So there is this bottle. We're gonna make these handmade sling, like if we can catch it or not. I don't know what they call it in English, but yeah, it's okay. And you know, but first of all, I think this is okay. Fuck up. It was almost on the phone. Am I really stupid? I got it. So what did you think? Did you think that I'm going to be lose in this game? Nah, motherfucker. Nah. sorry. No bad words. No bad words. So yeah, I just like it was been a long time. I didn't make any video, and I didn't go out. I mean outside because we can say outdoor because I've been really so sick with these people here. If you can see it, here is it. I don't know. It's just like it was really so annoying for me. I just like going with it outside. What the fuck? What the fuck? Nah, bro, nah. Nah, I'm not going to make these in my life. I don't know why it's like came in here, but yeah. So now, even if it's still here, but it's going to be good after 2 days, I think. So yeah, now I'm going to make the video, and also let's go back to our work. Our work? No, our video. Yeah. Oh, it's really cold. Wow. Huh? Fuck. Ah! Fuck you. I'm not going to do it, okay? Just this is enough. I know actually my hand's not actually dirty. So that's, yeah. You see? Sometimes one thing myself when I'm going, like when I'm doing these things, like making food and making outdoor cooking, like I'm gonna be a chef in these things, you know? Just like, see, can you see? I don't know what. Wait. Can you see it? It's like, I think myself, I am going one, like in the restaurant or in a hotel. I'm going to be a chef or something like that. Just like, you know. Okay, wait you. There is five things here, which I have heard they are, and also we're gonna put the pieces we need just only two things and one other thing, which is oil. We're gonna make a test for it, and we're gonna see if it's really too amazing or not. I'm really good at that. I'm gonna make an hotel degree, to work in a hotel or something like that. Maybe I'm gonna make my own restaurant and work for myself. That's it. It's really too amazing. And my favorite thing here in this salad, it's the onion. I love the onion. Where the onion is, I should be presented also. It's like something in my life I cannot be even ready to lose it, because onion is really too amazing. And also the taste of cheese, it's really too amazing, too incredible. There is a really two amazing sunsets. Wait, I'm gonna show you right now. But I don't know if you can see it or not. It's between the trees, but look like really too amazing. Monkeys here, I think they are living here. So yeah. I'm not going to put it here, and if it's good, there is nothing to cut. No, let's put it here. Because it's really too hot. My favorite thing is the tea, the tea is really amazing. Oh my god, my god. بسم الله باش بديت على بينا صليت يا ويا خوتا في البيت يا ابو عمر رسول الله So yeah, friends, it's going really to be dark. Like you can see my camera not good right now. And yeah, we're gonna go back right now to home. Yeah, it's really actually. Can you see it? You cannot see actually what I'm telling you. It's 8:12 p.m. So yeah, see you in another video, and it will be actually after. As you know, I use it to make videos each 2 days. So just like I was really too sick by these people. So yeah, I'm going right now to back to my new energy, to my old energy actually, not new energy. What the fuck is that? Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to see you after 2 days. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Wait. I forgot to say something. It's really so bad. It's really annoying me right now because it's only 23 of you subscribed, like you're seeing here, and 76% didn't subscribe. So what are you waiting for? Go to subscribe and let's us enjoy by the beauty of nature, okay? And yeah, as like I'm telling always, I'm speaking by we. I'm telling we because you are with me right now. So yeah, did you understand me? Go. So I hope you will be good.